This Road Dirt presentation is brought to you by Law Tigers, motorcycle lawyers. Find them at lawtigers.com. On this episode of Road Dirt, we ride the 2024 Triumph Speed 400. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and as you're probably aware, small displacement motorcycles are really kind of all the rage right now. They're becoming quite popular. All the brands are producing small displacement motorcycles, and they're not just for short riders, new riders, or, the old, as it were. They're really a bike classification now. These 500 and smaller are a classification that they're approachable, they're affordable, light, flickable, fun to ride, and like Ted Edwards once said in one of our stories on roaddirt.tv, sometimes it's more fun to ride a slow bike and a small bike fast than it is a big powerful bike slow. Well, for the next couple of weeks, we've got one of these. Let me get it in the frame there. This is the 2024 Triumph Street 400. Triumph's decided to enter the small displacement race themselves. And I think it's been probably 40, 50, maybe 60 something years since they've made a 400cc or thereabouts single. So this is quite a step for them. And we've got one here for the next couple of weeks. So, it's one thing to go ride one in a demo and go a few miles or something like that. It's another thing for motorcycle journalists to take one maybe on a press launch and get to be out on it all day long for several hours. But what do they like to live with? Are they worth the investment? Well, we've got this one for a couple of weeks. We're going to find out. So, let's ride. All right, here's some of the numbers on the Speed 400. Little single-cylinder engine, 398cc, makes 39.5 horsepower, about 27.5 foot-pounds of torque, and that is pretty impressive for a little single-thumper engine. This little bike is a beast for its size. Well, this Triumph 400 little Speed is definitely a speedster. It is a ridiculously fun motorcycle to ride. It really is true that it really is a lot of fun to ride a small or slower bike fast. And this little bike is small, but it ain't slow. Man, out on the road, seems like at one point just winding it out in each one of the gears that seems like I hit about, I was by the time I shifted out of 5th into 6th one time, I was already approaching 80 miles an hour with it. And the RPMs were way up in the 10,000 range or so. I have noticed tuning-wise, they're probably gonna need to work on this a little bit, is between about 6 and 8, there's a little bit of a hesitation, a little bit of a hiccup in the power band. And that's just due to tuning. Nice display, easy to read. Everything's navigable right there through the little info button. You can switch to different trip modes. You can go in here and switch traction control on and off. There are different settings for, ABS and things like that. So everything really nice and convenient right here. And very simple. I like it. Now, in comparison to the Royal Enfield Hunter 350, which I got to ride last year out in San Diego, and I absolutely love that little bike. This one, this 400, it's actually got 6 gears instead of 5, and it's got traction control and ABS, both of which are switchable on this model. So, for not a whole lot of more money than a Royal Enfield, you can get a lot more bike with this Triumph Speed 400. Man, just buzzing around a little bit already on it the last couple of days. This is a stupid fast and stupid fun little motorcycle, to use that phrase there. Time to get back on it. I tell you, this bike is so well put together. It's got inverted forks in the front, single monoshock in the rear, slipper clutch, shifts just butter smooth. What a great motorcycle. Alright, don't tell the wife, but out on the highway, Georgia Highway 316, we had a little fun with this bike. I got it up in the 6th gear, pinned it, and within no time I was up to 92 miles an hour, and it still felt like it had something in the tank. So I tell you, this little bike is no slouch. Well, I got to tell you, we have absolutely loved this little Triumph Speed 400. What a fantastic little motorcycle this thing is. The older I get, the more I love the little bikes. They're light, they're quick, they're nimble, easy to handle, they're approachable, they're affordable. And you know, it really is true, like our friend Ted says so often. Sometimes it's more fun to ride a small, slow bike fast than a big, fast bike slow. And this thing, you can ride it fast. I mean, we've proven that out on some of our highway stints and things like that. Amazing little bike. I tell you, like I've said before, I thoroughly enjoyed the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 we got to ride. Great little bike, but man, I love this little Triumph Speed 400. The baby Bonneville in the bunch. Man, I'm glad that Royal Enfield's not the only manufacturer in that displacement area, again, making those small kind of modern retro bikes, because now Triumph has they've snatched back a page that Royal Enfield ripped out of their playbook a number of years ago. The bikes that appeal to, you know, the young hipster and us older gents that remember the Triumph bikes of old, the old British bikes. So man, hats off to Triumph. You have a phenomenal motorcycle, and I hope it sells well, not only here in the States, but abroad and all over the world as well. It's a great motorcycle. Hey, if you want to find out more about it, look them up at triumphmotorcycles.com. We'll drop a link in the bio down below as well, so you can find out more about the Speed 400 and the other bikes in that line. I think they've got another one. I believe it's a Scrambler, if I'm correct, and little single thumper that's a hooligan bike all its own. So also, hey, check us out. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, Road Dirt TV. And you can also find our main media site, our e-magazine, as we call it, that all the writers and photographers and subscribers all kind of participate and collaborate there. RoadDirt.tv. Look us up out there as well. And we've also got a Spotify playlist for when you're out throttling around or wrenching. It's called Road Dirt Classics. And hope you'll check out our podcast also. We've got a pretty cool little podcast we've been doing for a few years, and called Road Dirt. You can find that on Apple, I think on Spotify, several other platforms that carry it, Anchor and other ones like that. You can see them all out there as well. So yeah, it's been good. Good way to end the time with the bike too. Birds singing in the background and the sun slowly setting. It's been a good time. Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt. Until next time, ride life. you.